Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we're going to talk about high-level benefits of working with edge location. Now, we have seen previously about the your regions, multiple regions. Now we're going to see what is edge locations. Again, low latency is covered next to this video, where I will give you hands-on experience on how to use low latency and how to actually do hands-on towards it. So it's a very interesting configuration, which we will talk on the next video. Now, in the next video, we will be also talking about multi-region based latency check as well. So I will show you that on the next video. So let's go into this video. In this video, we are going to understand the benefits of AWS edge location. Now, this is different. So we are talking about three components over here. According to our criteria here: regions, availability zone, edge locations. There is also wavelet zones and local zones, which you need to understand. I will create a quick video for you to understand wavelet zone and local zones. But for that, before we go there, in the next video, we will understand what is the latency and how wavelet zone and local zone is going to help us. Okay. So if you understand latency before that, then this is going to be much useful for you. Now, what is edge location? We have already seen edge location earlier. Just to give you a recap, AWS comes with different edge locations, and that's mentioned over here. Now, this is to make easy for your applications, which is hosted. Now, some of the application is what we're going to cover on this video, which is CloudFront and Global Accelerator. These two applications we will try to do a quick hands-on on this video. And in this video, we will also try to understand what is CloudFront and what is a global accelerator, how it really helps you in terms of accelerating your application. But before we go there, we'll first understand the benefits of edge location. Now, edge location, as the word edge, it gives you edge, right? So that is something which you should remember when this question has been asked in the exam, because we're going to see a lot of services, and lots of services is going to have similar names. But then the only way to survive the exam and pass the exam is by having this unique name assigned to your memory to call upon certain action items or factors. So when I talk about edge location, it is giving you edge. Now in towards performance, latency, and making sure that you are able to browse and improve your experience of accessing application much faster. So do remember this term. Improved performance and low latency. The key benefits is the edge location reduce the physical distance between the end user and the content, which is served by your server, ensuring faster data delivery by caching the content closer to the user rather than getting it from the server every single time. Now, Amazon CloudFront distributes the content, for example, websites, videos, APIs, images globally, and it also catches the edge location by to serve the user content so quickly. So it's not like only you have to access that content to have that cached on the CloudFront. Anyone who accesses it will be cached on the CloudFront, and that will be distributed to whoever is accessing it from the next time. Now, this cache, as I discussed earlier, can be cleared based on the settings you have on CloudFront. Now, Global Accelerator, on the other hand, optimizes the traffic router through AWS Global Network, bypassing internet bottlenecks and ensuring low latency access to applications deployed across multiple regions. Now, in terms of global content delivery, the edge location enables rapid distribution of content across the globe, ensuring consistent user experience no matter what the user is, where the user is located. So in terms of CloudFront's, as it delivers web assets, media streaming, dynamic content for users globally across across wherever the traffic is routed to in the nearest edge location. So it basically caches that information. But as I told you, there are certain applications like financial applications won't be suiting the caching requirement. But there's always things which you can cache, like images which comes through that financial applications, though it cannot completely utilize the cloud front, but it will use partially for the images and other things like videos and stuff. AWS Global Accelerator, in terms of global content delivery, provides a static IP address that routes user requests to optimal regional endpoints, improving the performance and the reliability of the global application. So we are talking about two applications here on each point. One is about the CloudFront, which is a content delivery network, which basically caches the user items over here, CloudFront. So it is in the front of the cloud, which can cache data. So that is how you have to remember the service. And Global Accelerator is a network level optimizer, which optimizes the traffic to accelerate the people who is accessing your application. Okay, so this is how you have to remember this global accelerator. So let's go to the next point over here, which is enhanced security. Now, in terms of enhanced security, the key benefit is that AWS Edge Location offers built-in security feature like DDoS protection, SSL TLS encryption, traffic management to safeguard the content delivery. So that is something which we have already looked upon. So if you remember the AWS Shield, AWS WAF, this is all for malicious attacks and securing the content delivery. So that's pretty much is what we would be using here as well. So do remember that when it talks about enhanced security and scalability and reliability. So this is basically the edge location automatically scales to larger volume of requests from users around the world without impacting the performance of your application. So this helps you in terms of meeting traffic spikes and demands, ensuring high availability is always the first priority for you. So this is in this way we understand the benefits of edge location as well. Thank you again for watching this video. On the next video, we will do understanding of low latency or latency itself.